What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for stopping by the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and install a set of rear camber arms on a 9th gen Civic Si. This is my car, obviously. This is the same one that we installed the D2 springs on. So we're going to go ahead and install the rear camber kit and see if possibly we can adjust the front just a little bit. Let me go ahead and get to it and I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, so when you're going to remove them, there's one bolt right there. Obviously, if you go up underneath, you can see right above where the axle back would bolt up. There's one there, and there's one right there. So we're gonna go ahead and knock those out really quick, and yeah, go. All right, so when you guys go to do the outer one here, there's actually, this is the bolt. There's a little 10. I recommend removing that 10. Breaking this loose first, and then you can go ahead and get that loose to get that out of there. That way you don't mess up that head like I almost just did. Should have really sucked. So yeah, just a quick tip for that. Alright, so one side's complete. Obviously we're gonna have to set the camber, but that looks pretty fucking spot on. Excuse my language. There's the new one. All nice and installed. SPC, so you guys can see it again, before and after. So that's before and that's after. That's not bad. You guys get the point. So obviously once you guys install them, before you make any final adjustments, make sure the car is in somewhat drivable spec. Tighten everything up, drive it to the alignment rack, set your alignment, make sure everything's tight, and you guys will be good to go. If you have any problems or questions, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll make sure I'm right back.